think when I was in high school and even past that in college and the military, I didn't know how much work and effort went into the processes of making lenses and cameras and all types of optical components. It's definitely something that you don't think about when you see your phone camera. There's a lot of effort that goes into everything. My name is John Notte. I've been a manufacturing engineer for the shop floor since 2023. I am predominantly the manufacturing engineer for the C&C cell, which includes A-spheres and spherical lenses, as well as off-axis parabolic mirrors and some flat mirrors as well. One of the most challenging aspects of my job is managing the scope of each project and ensuring that we can get it done in a timely and efficient manner. In the production of precision optics, we use a lot of interesting technologies. Of course, our interferometry systems to help us measure our actual physical form. In the single point diamond turning, we have some ultra precision lathes, which can technically input movements at an angstrom. There's a lot of things we look for in our process. Some of the more important ones are consistency, repeatability, and accuracy. These matter a lot because when you're making high precision optics, being off by a couple microns could mean the difference in our customer getting a product that they were looking for and us having to scrap that product out. There's a lot of different ways that our customers use our products. Some of them go into objective lens for microscopes and other purposes, for test setups, for different science experiments. A lot of students use the optics that we make as well as high-powered lasers. As someone with a background in physics, one of the biggest growths in career that I've had at Thorlabs is learning how to create mechanical drawings. And on top of that, it's actually made me a lot more mechanically inclined in my day-to-day life. In the last year, I've been able to shape my own role within the shop and engineering at Thorlabs by piggybacking off of the leadership and leadership styles of different engineers within and different supervisors within the shop in order to create interpersonal relationships with people from the shop and QC and engineering to carve out my role. The advice I would give to anyone interested in this type of role would be to make sure that it's something that you want to do and that you have a passion for. Making precision optics takes a lot of time and effort, and you really need to have pride in your work. I feel very encouraged to innovate in my role due to the freedom that I have been given to work autonomously, but also the ability to work with a team of manufacturing engineers that breeds innovation. I think anyone who's interested in optics and manufacturing specifically should be looking out for this kind of a role. It's definitely the type of position where you will learn things that you never thought you would, and that you can't learn anywhere else.